Back to a garage night. It's first time in a garage in 2025, and just join us. Are you leaking oil, son?
Oh no, I'm trying to get it over that tub.
Just draining the oil, giving it.
Put that piece of wood in a very good place, have you?
No, I ain't, mate. Just changing the gears and draining, putting fresh oil in for start of the season.
Right, grab that tub.
Oh no, look at this.
Under the...
Is she stiff?
Yeah, I don't know why it's not coming off.
That's what they all say.
You've broke the gearbox.
If you ever wondered what's inside one of these gearboxes, you've got a gear there, you've got the other one going there, and the rest of the gizzards are in here. And that's your two selectors here. So,
Peter.
yeah, it's a lovely repair job. Oh.
Yeah, that brake.
Yeah, Peter.
Prop shell snap.
Gears going on. There you go, ready for Kings Lynn. Not going to be at Buxton.
Buxton, eh?
Before anyone says.
Well, it's not shale, is it?
Yeah, Kings Lynn and Bradford first two for us.
Well, let's just stick with Kings Lynn at the minute, son. So get that out of the way first.
Yeah. How many times do you think you've done that now overall, mate? 50 times, 100 times, 150?
Fuck, no telling, is there? Well, work it out. Go back since we had this gearbox. Yeah. Work out how many meetings we've done and how many times we've had to change it.
Yeah, that's true. I ain't doing that.
Why, is that too much like hard work?
Oil's in, just finishing it off. One of the jobs done for the season. There it is. I'm here, look.
Get in there, you family.
I am. New seat, look, all nice and comfy, as done by Hotstox Racing to the Neil.
Is that where you want to be?
I think so.
Well, mate, you keep moving.
No, it keeps slipping itself, mate. I can't hold it up.
So what?
That looks about right, don't it?
I think so. It was just, it weren't quite touching that plate in the back, that ribbed bit, and there's a gap there.
Yeah.
So,
I'm up.
Yeah, we'll get done.
Yeah, sorry. silly bloke had bent all this side in here. You probably see it's twisted in. Got straighten that out for him. Got a clutch to look at, a few other bits before he races it first time. So yeah, we'll crack on with that now and start doing a bit to this one while we can't do nothing to ours. So yeah. It's got that as straight as we can get it. We've probably just got to weld this back up where it's split this, but yeah. What are you doing in there? It's not a climbing frame. You fixing it? You fixing it? So we're, yeah, since the last video we've been busy fixing loads of stuff. We've fixed mowers, we've fixed trailers, and now we're fixing old ploughs, which is needed some repairs for years. So yeah, we've not got stock cars here, but we're fixing loads of other stuff. So yeah, that's what's going on at the moment. Just busy, but stock cars should be back soon. So yeah, should soon be able to get on with some stuff, hopefully.
Yeah, go on, keep pumping it.
Is it doing anything or not?
Probably fucking not. It's moving a bit.
What you do? Direct feed?
So if you do it like that, it can't suck in any air, so you keep pumping it, it just...
Sorry mate, I'll give you, don't worry, I'll give your business a good plug.
we're not a business, we're a charity.
charity
Decided, yeah.
case. So this is the one of the cylinders for what operates a clutch to the gearbox on a bus. The other one is here. Probably can't see that, but let's see if we can get a light on. Is there. That's the other cylinder, and it goes down there, and then it's air over hydraulic other cylinder there. Gearbox is here, and yeah, we've got a clutch back, so it's hopefully all fixed and sorted now. So we've sorted one problem on it, and then got to do a few bits, a few more bits. Got to get a new tyre on the front here. Got to get a new tyre on here before the season starts, because we've got to get a new tyre on here. It's got a little crack appeared in it, so yeah, and then just tidy it up ready for the season. So yeah, hopefully should be getting a car back. So yeah, plenty going on. So this is going on the front of a bus that turned up today. Big thanks to Neil Stutchby Motors for helping get that sorted, much appreciated. And yeah, we'll get that on, and then that's hopefully bus ready for the season ahead. So bar a good clean out, but yeah, still lots to do. Also, just before we go to our newest sponsor that's come on board this year, Stock Car Racing Signs. They make bespoke metal signs, any track, anywhere you want. They're £35, I believe, plus postage, or you're happy to collect from any meeting, any track, as long as it's prior arranged. But yeah, find them on Facebook. The image will be on screen here somewhere now, but yeah, find them on Facebook, send them a message. Really good guys, as I said, got links to us from when we first started, so yeah, happy to have them on board for the 2025 season. Hope they have a good year like we do. So yeah, give their page a like and a share, and obviously hopefully purchase some stuff as well. So yeah, give them a like, guys.